We're here at Anuga, and Anuga is the world's largest food and drink show. It's the most important show for everybody who wants to be exporting food and drink products, and we've had a great show. Many interested people from all over the world, but especially from Germany, Austria and Switzerland, who found some great new importers, and I'm really happy we were there.
Anuga is always a great opportunity for us to present what we can do in Wales, and this year so far after 3 days has been fantastic, with a lot of demand of, especially for lamb but also for beef across Europe, and some unusual country like even Finland or Czechoslovakia that are apparently ready to pay the price for different quality.
Mae'r sioe yn bwysig i ni i cwrdd â cwsmeriad o'r byd i gyd, sydd yr Eidal, Sbaen, Dubai ac hefyd i gobeithio datblygu busnes newydd.
We've had a very good show. Using the stand gives us a great leapfrog into this market, because not only is it for Europe, but it also attracts a lot of people from the Middle East and Far East. We get the chance to see all of our existing customers in 3 days, and a chance to create and increase our business with potentially new customers as well.
Trade show, we met several new potential customers, and we are planning to do some follow-up meetings with them. This year we already had some results in having Welsh lamb in the shelves of Dutch customers.
I believe if we carry on planning this kind of event, it will do great for our local farmers and the whole industry.